We are here at the Productronica 2013, first day of the show, and I'm talking to Mark Stansfield from, he is the managing director of Solderstar. How do you experience the show? Something that you expect to get from European customers, potential customers, existing customers here?
Well, Productronica is clearly one of the key events in the exhibition calendar. This is our sixth time of exhibiting here in our own name. Already the signs are very good. Seen lots of existing customers, customers coming to the booth on special projects we're working on currently, which is quite nice. So hopefully by the end of the show we should be very close to hopefully winning some new business from those guys.
The Wednesday is usually traditionally the most looked after and the most customer-wise busy day of the show. How is your experience from the last 6 times?
Yeah, I would say that's fair. It's such a huge place. Obviously it takes people time to filter through the halls. I'm not really sure how these guys actually managed to get around all these stands within the week. It's obviously quite a large place to cover. So yeah, Wednesday normally will be our busiest day, certainly as people move through the main pick and place halls, for example, and then start to look wider onto smaller equipment like ourselves.
Solderstar is providing products for the entire range of soldering equipment. Is this something that makes you unique compared to your competitors or other companies in the industry?
I believe so, yes. As you can tell from the name, Solderstar is 100% soldering is our business. We've been around now for just over 10 years. We have a complete range of solutions for reflow, wave solder, more recently selective solder, vapor phase, and we're continually improving and developing the products, working with customers to provide the solutions they need. So yeah, I believe we genuinely are unique. Our products cover whatever the engineers are using in the manufacturing lines. Then you know we have a solution, or we'll work with them on a special project to meet their needs.
As a supplier to the equipment manufacturing industry, how do you see the market?
It's been a tough few years. I think everybody you speak to will have the same story, but I'm not quite sure we're coming out of recession yet, but certainly our sales are increasing, which is good. Maybe it's new development work, I'm not sure, but as long as we increase, then really, we're trying not to think too hard on the whys and wherefores, but things are definitely picking up, is the indications we're seeing anyway.
So one last question, what is the most sought after product that you're exhibiting here today?
Selective soldering is really becoming an interesting process for many manufacturers. We've had a system for selective soldering for over 1 year, but the main development work we've been doing in 2013 is with the flux monitoring side of that soldering process. Currently there's no electronic method to record and measure what goes on in terms of fluxing the circuit boards before the soldering process takes place. So we've been basically listening to our customers' needs, and we have some new products here, which I believe are first, that allow the engineers to measure these extra parameters within these new processes.
So you have exciting new technology for all those engineers?
Maybe exciting is the wrong word, but yeah, we have some nice systems. The requirements there. We're an engineering-led company. We like to listen and design, and that's pretty much what we've been doing before the show.
Good. Then I wish you good luck with the show, and thank you very much for the interview.